Good morning, kids. Lesson 10 of English course, and the name of the lesson is The Fisherman's Greedy Wife. The Fisherman's Greedy Wife. Now, let's start. Long, long ago, in the days of witches and fairies, spells and wishes being granted. Okay, long, long ago, in the days of witches means women with magical powers. Those are having magical powers. Okay, spells means magic and wishes being granted. There lived a poor fisherman with his wife. Okay, in a small hut near the sea. The fisherman worked hard at the sea all day long, but generally never caught any fish. Okay, so what they are saying, that the fisherman every day he worked very hard, but he never be able to caught any fish. Okay, and generally he came at home empty handed. They spent their days in poverty. Poverty means lack of money or not having enough to live on. Okay. So now next, one day the fisherman felt a tug at his net. So what happened? One day the fisherman felt a sound at his net and pulled it into his boat. He was overjoyed at the sight of very large fish. He was very excited. He was very happy when he saw a very large fish in his net. As he took the fish out of the net, the fish spoke, "Please don't kill me. I'm an enchanted prince." So what happened next? When he looked at the fish, he was very excited and was very happy that he caught a very large fish. But then the fish spoke out. He says, "Please don't kill me. I'm an enchanted prince." Enchanted means the fish who has magical powers. Okay, I do have magical power. I can help you with whatever you want. Whatever you wish, I'll grant your wish. Okay. The fisherman let the fish go into the sea and went home empty handed as usual. Like always, again he went home with empty handed. His wife yelled at him. Yelled means shouted at him, and could not stop her flow of angry words till he told her about the fish. Then what happened? His wife was shouting at him that he again came empty handed. Then his husband told him about the whole story about the fish. She again yelled at him, saying, "You foolish man! Knowing our poor condition, you should have asked the fish for help." Then again she shouted that you know that our condition is not very good. You should ask for help from that fish. So now go back to the same spot and say to the fish, "Change our tiny house into a fine cottage." Then the fisherman's wife said that, "Now go back to the same spot and tell the fish that change our tiny means change our small house into a fine cottage." Cottage means big hut. Okay, now next. So the next day he went back to the sea and called out to the fish. So what happened? Next day he went to the sea and called out the fish. The fish appeared almost at once. Then the fish came out almost at once. The fish said, "Go back home and you will find your wife sitting in a cottage." Then the fish said that, "Go back to your home, you will find your wife that she is sitting in a big hut." As it was the fish said, they also had fat laying hens and a shed full of grain, but his wife was not satisfied. So when he came back to his home, he found that it's a cottage. Okay, and there is also a fat hen and a shed full of grain means a small building in your yard. Full of grain means means wheat. But his wife was not happy at all, was not satisfied means not happy at all. After saying that, she kept behind him to go back to the fish to give them a castle. So what happened now next? Then again she told her husband to go back to the sea and again demand for a castle. She don't want to live in a small this cottage. She want now what she want? Castle. Weeks went by, and even though the fisherman was quite content with the cottage, So now what happened? Weeks went by. After few weeks, what happened? The fisherman was very satisfied with the cottage, but his wife wanted more and more. So why she wanted? Because she was greedy. So she was not satisfied with the this cottage. She want now castle. So he went back to the fish, and the fish granted them a castle. Castle means a large building. Then the fisherman again went to the sea and asked from the fish that his wife is not satisfied. Now she want a castle. Then then the fish said, you can go back to the now you can go back to the you can go back to your house. Now look at your house. Your wife is sitting in a castle. The greedy wife now started forcing the fisherman to go back and ask the fish for a palace and to make her the queen. Now the now the greedy wife, what she wanted? The greedy wife now wanted a palace. So she forced her husband to go back to the sea and ask the fish for a palace, so that to make her the queen of that palace. Palace like mahal. He he went again to the fish with his wife request, and the fish said, so be it. So now what happened? Her wife's wish again granted.